updated makeup tutorial today, so I'm gonna show you what I've been doing recently. I don't wear foundation every day, so I'm gonna skip that, but I do wear concealer. This is from Glossier Stretch concealer. Just put that under my eyes. Next, I will move on to spot concealing. This is one of my favorite concealers because I have dry to normal skin, so if I use drier concealers, it doesn't look good on my skin. This is from It Cosmetics. It's their Bye Bye Under Eye concealer, and there's a lot of like, it's a skincare concealer, so I feel better when I put it on my spots because it's healing it. Lately, I've been putting the concealer on the sides of my nose since it's kind of red. Then lately, one thing I've been doing is applying powder. This is from Mericer. This is a highlighter brush, but I use that to set my under eye. Just pat and try not to swipe because you might move the concealer. Since I smile a lot, this helps with the smile lines, and so the concealer won't like move everywhere. There's a smaller brush. This is from Morphe. This is M153 to powder the other spots. So, done with the powder. Now we move on to the eyes. So recently the palette I've been using is from Meclium. It's their Into Lace Pro Eye Palette. And there's so many pretty colors. I mean, this is like the perfect, like everyday, a natural everyday palette, I feel. Just using this kind of flat, fluffy brush. And I'm using, oh my god, this one as the base shade. And the mirror is kind of small, so I have to use a different mirror. Then just put that over the lid. I didn't even put lip balm yet. Well, I'm gonna put this on first and then I'll put it on. Then under, like on the lower lash line, under eye part. Okay, hold on. I know I only have one eye done, but I need to put lip. This is from Laneige. It's their lip Glowy Balm, and this is in the peach scent, I guess. Oh, that was too much. I put too much, but that's fine. You can't really see it, but this is more for setting. But it does give a little color, which I like. I feel like I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in so long. Or makeup look, at least. I love makeup, but... So now I'm going into the shade next to the darkest brown. And I'm also putting that all over the lid. Except I'm focusing it on the outer V and then closer to the lash line. Then on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking the darkest brown shadow there. I'm gonna make a cat wing kind of going up. Sometimes I go down, but usually, because like I have a natural line there which goes down, so sometimes I follow that, but usually I go up more so I have more of like the cat eye look. Kind of just follow like lower lash line and then go up. Fluff it out a bit. This is my crease ends here. I try not to overlap it. I kind of go under it. It just looks better that way, for me at least. With the same angled brush, I take the shade next to the dark brown one. Then I kind of I kind of line the lower lash line. I draw a line and then I connect it like that. I take a little bit of the dark brown eyeshadow, just a little bit, and then kind of line over that just to put some more depth into it. I'm gonna draw like a shadow just to emphasize it. Ow, my back. Oh! Forgot the most important part. I usually apply glitter every day because it's like hard to not apply glitter. It usually depends like on my day since there's a whole row. But today I'm gonna go for the very one on the left. Put that on eyelid. I don't think it's very noticeable. First I place it in the middle and then I drag it to the inner corner. There's this one glitter in here that has like really large chunks. That one is like the middle one. This one also does too, but I usually use this color more. Put that on my lower lash line. So this one's more like glittery compared to more like natural makeup. I think this is fine. It adds more like flair to the makeup. See, this one has huge chunks of glitter, which I really like. Usually I just leave it like this, but today I just feel like using a liquid liner. It depends on the day. I usually wear liquid liner also, but sometimes I just go for the dark shadow look. I'll draw a thin line so it's not that noticeable. Oh, by the way, this is just a dark brown eyeliner from Meclium, New York. Why does that one look better than this one? I don't usually do anything for my brows, but I do use a spoolie to just brush them out. And I have bangs also, so they're kind of hidden, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, okay, blush. This really depends on the color I'm feeling, but since it's like a springy summer weather, I usually go for more like brighter pinks rather than muted and browner colors. This blush is from Tarte. It's their Blissful Cheek Stain, and this is such a pretty color for like this weather. And it leaves a really nice like sheen also, which is so gorgeous. Now that's all I really do for blush, at least. And if I have extra, I just put it like on my chin. I'm using this contour from Peripera. It's their V shading in number 3, Hazel Grey. This is an eyeshadow brush. I use it for contouring. Pick some on brush. And I only contour my nose. I start around this area, just like really softly, and then drag it down. All I like to do is like place a shadow around this area, also right here, so the nose looks elongated. For every day, I don't usually apply highlighter, so I'm gonna skip that. So for the lips, I'm gonna use this lip color from pieu. It's their Juicy Pong Mousse tint in number, the code is CR02. Anyways, it's this really pretty like brownish red, which I really love. If you apply a little bit, it looks really nice. Very simple, right? Take off my, there you go. Holy, it's all over my eyes. Let's try to fix this. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.